Hey, y'all. Josh Rhodes here, crypto y'all. I am a crypto investor full time. I help over 250 people find passive income and financial independence using true decentralized financial skills that anybody can pick up. I'm an Alabamian, grew up in public school systems, no Ivy League degree, and I've absolutely crushed it over the last couple of bull cycles, and you can too. And in this video, I want to show you just how easy it is to actually collect your daily yield. That's right. We have a program called Get Paid Daily, and it's all about cash flow, appreciation, and leverage to be able to increase our net worth in crypto. So I want to share my screen and just show you literally how I collect daily revenue using crypto investing. Okay, so before we dive into the collecting of the income, this is the strategy. It's the crypto flywheel method: cash flow, appreciation, building equity, and leverage. And cash flow is the part that most people don't realize is possible in crypto, or they've been scammed by other AI, WhatsApp, Instagram, smarmy internet people that have a trading desk somewhere overseas, but it's all crypto fraud. This is actual self-reliant, self-custody, skill and knowledge-driven passive income. And there's really four major ways that we use to generate daily cash flow with crypto. There's altcoin swing trading, there's yield farming, there's NFT mining, and then the thing I'm going to show you today is what we call concentrated liquidity pools. And that's where we provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges or decentralized banks, because they have to go and allow users to swap crypto for different crypto, and they need liquidity just like a regular bank would need. But in this case, we can provide liquidity and earn a daily yield at an exaggerated annual percentage rate. And so this is a quick example of one of my yields, and I'll actually go to another one after this, but I have $100 of unclaimed fees. These are fees that were distributed to me by the decentralized protocol for providing my liquidity, which I started with about $1,500 a few days ago. So I'm doing really well so far in my collections and in my earnings. Not only is my purse going up, but my daily unclaimed fees are going up. So what could you do with $20 a day, $30 a day, $100 a day of passive income? Would it make a big difference in your life? Well, when you get to this point and you know how to set up your concentrated liquidity pools, here's how much time it takes to actually collect your daily income. You click the collect fees button here, the pink button, and obviously we confirm that action. And then I'm going to pay about a penny in gas fees because we're operating on the Polygon network. It's a layer 2 blockchain, which is faster and less expensive than Ethereum. And we're going to wait for that transaction to settle. It's pending here in the top right. And I can also access it in my hot wallet, my MetaMask wallet, whenever I want to. And so now you can see that my fees are no longer present. And that's because they were distributed to my wallet just now, and in the form of Chainlink and USDC. So USDC, you can see $50 was distributed here. And then if I scroll down to my Chainlink, which I think is down here, I received 3.15 Chainlink, which times about, let's see, its current price, $15.70, comes out to about another $50 or so. And so you can see I received my $100. Let's go to another one on a different blockchain. I have another pool on the BNB chain. All I need to do is switch my network here on my hot wallet. I use MetaMask, metamask.io, if you want to add that Google Chrome extension. And here I have another pool, similar amounts. It's younger, so I've got about $56 that I can collect. I'm going to hit collect fees, and I'll receive this amount of GFAL and $26.70 of USDT, which is the largest stable coin on the planet. Stable coins simply do not go up and down in value. They're pegged to the US dollar. So we have a 20-cent gas fee that I have to pay in Binance or BNB token. That's the native token of the Binance Smart Chain. And as you'll see, it'll be distributed once again to my wallet in real time. And if I scroll down and find the Tether USDT, there's my $26. And what else was I using? Oh yeah, games for a living, GFAL. So I'm now added to my balance. I actually have a larger substantial balance there. So all that being said, it's that easy and that quick to harvest your daily yield every single day. And now I have a fun choice. When you have control over cash flow, you have control over what you do with the money. And what I can do, I can go back in and I can recompound those earnings and start the flywheel all over again and create that snowball effect using the rule of 72, which is the fun part. And that compound interest starts to build. your flywheel starts to turn and you start to have momentum in your personal finances, and you start to see that your portfolio has an actual cash flow system built into itself. And that's when you start seeing incredible expansion of your net worth. So this sounds fun to you, and you want to create passive income with crypto, and you want your own crypto flywheel that you're spinning every day, taking control of your investments. Then I want to invite you to my private mentorship and mastermind called Get Paid Daily. This is an application only program. It's a 6-month long membership. After the 6 months, you can renew voluntarily for another year, which, by the way, most people do. And it involves a training, learning management system like you see here on the screen. It involves a community of awesome people that share market alpha with each other all day, every day, using our Discord group. We have all kinds of fun channels. I'm very active there. It includes personal support from me, so that anytime you feel stuck or hesitant or you don't understand something, you've got a human that you can interact with after watching these training videos. It involves a weekly coaching call. I do 3 hours at least a day of crypto research that I bring to a one singular call every single week, rain or shine. So if you want to apply and you want to talk to me, that is what's required. I need to speak with you one-on-one, because we need to make sure it's a good fit, and also to make sure you're a good fit, because I've had over 1,500 people apply, but I've only accepted about 250 people. And I'm looking for people who are in it for better reasons than just raw greed. I'm looking for people who want to make the world around them a better place, who have family values and core values, and they want to help their neighbor, and they want to create, and they have a purpose or a why, and they want to create something that can last generations and legacy wealth. We want to help their families, whatever that might be, whether you want to travel more or provide for college or provide for elderly parents or retire early. Those are great things. And so I want to invite you to go to cryptoyall.co/crypto farming. That's cryptoyall.co/crypto farming. And hit the big blue start button here on the application. You can see some of the testimonial videos and screenshots of our success below there. And I'll provide you with more material that you can review. There's no surprises here. And once you apply, you can actually, it'll redirect you to my calendar link. And once you have successfully scheduled a call in your time zone on my calendar, we'll do a Zoom call, just like this video here. We'll go one-on-one. It'll be me, no one else, no sales executives, nothing like that. We'll just have a consultative conversation about the crypto flywheel method and how it could fit into your specific investing strategy. So go to cryptoyall.co/crypto farming right now. Schedule your call today, because my open enrollment periods do come and go, and I can't always accommodate everyone because I do provide unlimited access to myself. So there's only one of me. But if you're seeing this video, there's a high likelihood that I have a couple of spots open. So go ahead, apply, schedule your call at cryptoyall.co/crypto farming. And don't forget, you've got that passive income out there waiting on you. You just got to go take it. See you soon.